Now we are going to see H. Okay. Now this is capital H and this is small h. Okay. Shall we write? How to write the capital H? Have to put a straight line like this. Okay. Just put a straight line like this and connect these two straight lines in one sleeping line. Okay. Okay, one more time I will going to tell. Please listen carefully, students. Okay, one straight line and here one straight line and in between one sleeping line. This is capital H. Very good. Now we are going to write small h. Shall we do, children? Very good. Okay, one straight line from half. From half you point a mark and just draw a like this. Just bend it like this and straight line. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to write again small h. Listen carefully, children. One straight line and from half you have to bend it like this and again straight line. This is small h. Okay. See here, there are lovely colorful pictures are here, isn't it? Yes, you all love the pictures, colorful picture. Okay, now we are going to circle the picture that begin with the H sound. Okay, that begins with the H sound. Okay, tell me, what is this? What is this? Do you all know, children? Listen, see the picture carefully and tell me, what is this? What is this? Yes, correct. House. House. Yes. What is the sound of H? Ha. Yes. Okay, and we are going to make a circle like this. Okay, very good. Give a clap, give a clap, give a clap. Okay, next one. See here. What is this? You all love chicken. I know that. You all like lollipops. Where it comes from? Yes, it comes from hen, isn't it? Some of them will say chicken. No, it's a chicken. It's hen. Okay. Ha. The sound H start. The sound of the H is ha. Okay. So the hen. Hey. Okay. Okay. See here, this is duck. Is the duck starting from H sound? No. Very good. Okay, now we are going to move to the second one. See here, what is this? It's looking like a lovely red. Red, what is the shape? Yes, it's a heart. Tell me correctly, heart. Okay, what is the first sound you are getting? Ha. Ha, H. Yes. So we make it a circle, circle, circle. Very good. Okay. Next, see this. Do you all see this? Did you all see? In your home, there is hammer, isn't it? Your parents will all use a hammer to fix the needles, isn't it? To hang your lovely photos. Yes, to hang your lovely photos, our parents use this hammer and needle. So the hammer. Tell me loudly, hammer. Tell me loudly, hammer. Hammer. Okay, tell me loudly, hammer. Okay, the starting word, what is the sound of the starting word? Ha, hammer. Ha, hammer. Yes. So, it begins with H sound. So, we are going to make a circle, circle, circle. Okay, very good. Okay, you all know what is this? You all know what is this? You all love it, isn't it? You have a lot of toys. What is this? I am not going to tell this. If this word starts with, if this image start with H sound, you can make a circle. I am not going to tell you. I am not going to tell you because you know this word. So I am going to left with you. Okay. Okay. Next one, come here. See here. What is this? What is this? What is this? This is hand. Tell me, hand. Hand. What is the first sound? Ha. Okay, so we are going to circle. Circle, circle, circle. It begins with H sound. Okay. Next one, this is not cap, dears. This is hat. Hat. Okay. Pronounce it correctly. Hat. Okay. Did you hearing the sound? H sound starting? Did you hear the beginning? It's beginning with the H sound. Tell me, hat. This word is beginning with the H sound. Yes. What? How will you tell me? Tell me again. Tell me, hat. Hat. Tell me one more time. Hat. So what is the first word? What is the sound of the word? First. What is the first sound? Ha. Yes. So we are going to make a circle, circle, circle it. Super. You are finished very well. Now once more we are recalling this. This is capital H and this is small h. H for horse. What is the sound of H? What is the sound of the H? Come on, tell me. Ha. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Very good. So house starting with H sound and hen starting with H sound, heart starting with H sound, hammer starting with H sound. This is for your homework, isn't it? If the words begins with H sound, you can make it a circle. If it not, you can put a wrong. Okay. Next, the hand, it's beginning with H sound, and the heart, it's also beginning with H sound. Okay. You are finished. You did the good job, dears. Well done. Okay. Next, we are moving to next letter. Okay, I am going to hide this. Tell me correctly, what is the next letter after H? Tell me correctly. Oh, you want me to sing a song, alphabetic song? Okay, I will sing a song for you guys. Okay, let's sing a song and cheer up. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What is the next letter after H? I. Okay, is that I? Shall I open this? Okay. Yes, it is I. Good, very good. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to write capital I and small I. First, we will see this. Okay, first capital I. This is very easy to just draw a straight line like this. And from here, from the top of the straight line, one sleeping line, and the bottom of the straight line, one sleeping line. See how it is very easy, no? Okay, one more time I am telling this. Just draw a straight line. In top of the straight line, put like this small sleeping line. In bottom also, just draw a small sleeping line. Okay, this is a capital I. Next, small I. It's very easy. Just draw a small I and just put a one point. Okay, small point. Okay, just put a straight line and put a point. I for insects, isn't it? If you all afraid about insect, if insect comes to your home, what will you do? Did you run or did you hit that insect? Okay, you have a different opinion. Some of them are telling, no ma'am, I will get afraid. Some of them telling very boldly that I will beat the insects. Okay, I love the both answers. Okay, now we are going to circle the images with having the beginning sound of I. Okay, so see here. Wow, it's looking very nice, isn't it? It's full of eyes. What is this? Igloo. Very correct. Okay, say loudly, igloo. Okay, now the starting sound. What is the starting letter? Igloo. E. So what is the sound of the I? E. Yes. So igloo. Now we are going to see here, shade the boxes they given. I am going to just circle it. Okay. I am just going to circle it. Next one, see, is that the word which having the I sound? Tell me, you all know. It is, what is this? Lemon. Very good. Lemon. Okay. It is a word which is starting from I. No. The lemon which does not starts from I. Yes. What is this? This is span. It's also doesn't have the I sound. What is this? Oh, why your face is getting so scary after seeing this picture? You all hate to put injection. Yes, I too hate injection. But if you put injection, then only it will be get cured very fastly. So don't worry. Okay, shall we tell injection loudly? Injection. Injection. What is the starting sound? E. What is the sound of I? E. Okay, now we are going to circle the injection. Okay, very good. Next, what is this? Do you all know what is this? Yes, it is ink. Okay, now we are going to say loudly ink. Say, tell me loudly ink. Ink. What is the starting sound? E. What is the sound of I? E. So, it begins with I sound. So, I am going to make a circle. Okay. Next one, what is this? This is a pencil. Okay. This is not begin with I sound. Okay. This is, what is this? You all know, we are all Indians. Okay. And then tell me what is this? India. This is a India. Okay. So, India. Tell me loudly. Just tell me loudly. India. So, what is the starting sound? E. What is the sound of I? E. Okay, then we are going to circle this. Okay, okay. And I am leaving these two images for you. If these two images begins with I sound, you can make a circle. If it don't, you cannot make a circle. Okay, shall we revise? This is a capital I. This is small I. I for insect. Okay, what is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. So, igloo, its starting sound E, and this is injection. It also starts with I sound E, and ink, it also begins with I sound E, and this is India. This is also begins with I sound. Okay. Okay. Now one more I am telling the sound of the I. You can get very well. What is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. Very good. You did the good job, dears. Okay, now we are moving to the next letter. After I, what is the letter after I? J. Very good. Now we are going to see about J and its sound, and it's a beginning sound, J sound. Okay. Okay. First one, listen. This is a capital J and this is small j. Okay. Shall we write the capital J? Take your book and pencil, children, with me and write along with me. Okay. Just put a straight line like this. Okay. Just stop it. Okay, just put a straight line like this and get a one stop and continue by bending like this. Continue by bending like this. Okay, and make a one sleeping line and the bottom of the straight line. Shall I tell one more time? Okay, just draw a straight line like this and get a one break. Then again continue by bending like this and taking over to the upward. And make a sleeping line and the bottom of the straight line. Okay. Now let's see how to write a small j. Small j also similar to capital J. One straight line and take a break and just give a bend. Okay. One more time I am telling. Listen carefully, children. One straight line. Take a break and just bend it like this. and like I, small I, we also keep a point like this. Okay, this is capital J and small j. J for jaguar. Okay, did you see jaguar anywhere? Did you see it in zoo? Okay, it's fine. Okay, now we are going to see the images and going to find which object that begin with J sound. Okay, now I am going to point one image. You like it more and you like to eat lot. Okay, what is this? What is this? Yeah, everybody is telling you the correct answer. You all like this. What is this? Jelly. Very good, very good. You all like jelly. Yes, you all like jelly. I know that. Okay, okay. Tell me correctly. Tell me loudly the word jelly. 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 Okay, the jelly. The word sound. What is the first sound of the jelly? Ja. Okay, what is the sound of J? Ja. So we are going to make a circle like this. Very good. Okay, next one, see here. This is jacket. Okay, this is a jacket. In winter season, they will wear jackets. Don't know. If you go to the hill station, what will you wear? You wear some jackets to make you heat, isn't it? So jacket. Say it loudly. Jacket. Say it loudly. Jacket. Okay, what is the beginning sound? Ja. Very good. I think you all understand very well. So only you are answering very quickly. Very good. Then take this picture. What is this? What is this? Don't know. Okay. You will eat with bread. What is this? Yes, correct. This is jam. Okay. Tell me loudly. Jam. Okay, it's the word begins with J. Very good. I think you are very brilliant. Okay. From other than these three images, these are the words which does not begins with J sound. Okay, this is a monkey and this is not going to begins with J sound. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Tell me correctly, what is this? Juice. Okay, you have to make a circle. If it juice having the J sound, if juice have J sound, you can make a circle. If the juice does not have a J sound, you does not make a circle. Okay, this is up to you. I am giving this exercise to you children. Okay, I am telling one more time. If this image, the starting sound start with J, you can make a circle. If the image does not begin with J, you does not make a circle. You can use your parents' help. You can make this circle or not. Okay, one more time. I am just reversing. Let me say, this is a capital J and this is small j. J for jaguar. Okay, this is a jelly starting with a J sound. This is jacket. This is starting with J sound. And this is a jam. This is also starting with J sound. Now we are going to see about K. Okay, this is a capital A and this is small a. Okay, now we are going to write capital A. Okay, just make it a straight line like this. Okay. From half, you can make a line like this, slanting line, and one more slanting line to upwards. Okay, the first slanting line from the upwards and another slanting lines from downwards to upward. Okay, the same procedure to write the small k. Straight line from upward to downward and downward to upward. Okay, this is a capital K and this is a small k. K for kitten. Okay, what is kitten? Do you all know what is kitten? Yes, the puppy of cat is kitten. You all love kitten. Yes, in my home also there are a lot of kitten. I will show you one time. Okay, now we are going to write K. Okay, but now we are going to write K in boxes if you hear the K sound. For example, listen, what is this? Kettle. Say loudly. Kettle. Okay, if it begins with K, if you're hearing the K sound, kettle. Yes, so I'm going to write K in this box. Okay, tell me, what is this? Yes, it's lion. Okay, do you hearing any K sound? No. Very good. Okay, what is this? Kangaroo. Do you hearing any K sound? Kangaroo. Tell me loudly. Kangaroo. Yes. Do you hearing the K sound? Okay. Shall I write K here? Okay. Good. Okay. Who is he? He having the crown. Who is he? Yes. He's a king. Yes. He's a king. So do you hearing any K sound? You're not hearing any K sound? Okay. Tell me loudly. King. 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 If you're hearing any K sound? Yes, very good. So, shall I write K here? Yes, correct. Okay. Next, what is this? You all love this, isn't it? You all having this or not? Okay, if you not have, you can buy it or you can make it yourself. Okay, it's very easy to make it. You can make it yourself. Okay, what is this? Kite. Tell me loudly. Kite. Okay, what is, if you are hearing any K sound? You can hearing any K sound from the kite? You know why you're not hearing? Just tell me loudly. Kite. Kite. What is the starting sound? Ka. Ka. What is the sound of K? Ka. Very good. Shall I write K here then? Yes. Okay. What is this? Key. Very good. Everybody is telling the right answer. Very good. Key. Tell me loudly. Key. What is the starting sound? Key. 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 K sound. Yes. So, I'm going to write K. Okay. So, I'm going to tell you, this is a capital K and this is a small k. K for kitten. And what is the sound of the K? Ka. What is the sound of the K? Ka. Ka, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ka. Ka, ka, kettle. Ka, ka, kangaroo. Ka, ka, king. Ka, ka, kite. Ka, ka, key. Yes, isn't it? These are all pictures starting with the K sound. So, only we have written K in that particular boxes. Do you all understand? Okay, shall I test you? What is the sound of K? Very good. What is the sound of K? No, I am not hearing. Some of them are blabbering. Okay, one more time. Just together tell me correctly. What is the sound of K? Ka. Very good. Very good. Give a cheer up. Give a cheer up. Okay, and good thumbs up. Okay, now we are moving to the next letter. Now we are going to see about L. Okay, this is a capital L and this is a small l. L for lizard. Do you all afraid about lizard? Okay, where is lizard? Where will you see the lizard? You will see the lizard in or on the wall. Yes, the lizard is on the wall. Very good. Okay, now we are going to write the capital L. Okay, just put a straight line like this and from the bottom of the straight line, just make it a one sleeping line. Simple. Okay, one more time I am telling children, see correctly. Okay, one straight line like this. Okay, at the end of the straight line, you are starting the sleeping line. Okay, that's it. Okay, the small L is very easy. You can just put like a one. Okay, just draw a one straight line. Okay, now we are going to circle the picture that start with I sound. One more time I am telling, listen carefully children. Circle the pictures that start with the I. Circle the pictures that start with the L sound. Okay. One more time I am telling, circle the pictures that start with L sound. Okay, you all know what is this? Lamp. Okay, tell me loudly, lamp. Tell me loudly, lamp. Okay, did you hearing any sound like a L sound? Yes, did you hearing the L sound? Very good. Shall I circle the picture? Yes, very good. What is the sound of the L? La. What is the sound of the L? La. Okay, what is this? Lion. Okay, you all get afraid, isn't it, by seeing the lion? Okay, did you see a lion anywhere? Did you see lion in zoo? Okay, okay. What is the starting sound? Say lion, lion. Loudly, lion. Do you hearing any L sound? If you hear any L sound, you can say S. If you're not hearing any L sound, you said no. Very good. Many of us telling yes. Okay. If it yes, you can make a circle. I am not going to make a circle. Just make it a circle by using your hand. Just make it a circle along with me. Circle, 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 circle. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next one. Okay. What is this? What is this? You all like it. Yes, it is very good. Yeah, everybody is telling a correct answer. You all love lollipops. Okay. Shall we tell loudly? Lollipop. Lollipop. I too love lollipops. Okay. Do you hearing any L sound? Yes. Okay. Shall I circle it? Yes. Okay, see next one. What is this? What is this? Ladder. Okay, you're having ladder in your home, isn't it? I knew that. Okay, ladder. Tell me loudly. Ladder. Tell me loudly. Ladder. Do you hearing any sound? Do you hearing any L sound? Yes. So shall I make a circle? Okay, I'm going to make a circle. Okay, see here. What is this? Leaf. Leaf. Okay, do you hearing any L sound? If you hear L sound, you can make a circle. Okay, next one. What is this? Okay, you have to find out this animal. If it starts with L sound, you make a circle. If it don't, you don't want to make a circle. One more time I am telling children, listen carefully. If this animal starting with L sound, you can make a circle. If it not, you don't make a circle. Okay? Okay, now one more time I am telling, this is a capital L, this is a small l, L for lizard, and what is the sound of the L? What is the sound of the L? Some of them are telling, some of them are very lazy, naughty fellows. Just be brisk. What is the sound of the L? Yes, correct. Okay, together we are going to say, what is the sound of the L? La, 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 la. Lamp, la, la, lollipop, la, la, ladder. Okay, do you now get the correct sound of the L? Now we are moving to the next letter. Okay, next we are going to see about M. Why you all looking very lazy? Okay, shall we do a exercise? Shall we do sit stand? Okay, are you enjoying this? Okay. Shall I tell? Sit, sit, stand, stand, sit, sit, stand, jump, 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 jump on the floor, jump, sit, jump, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit. Okay, very good. Well done, well done. Everybody is doing very well. Okay, now we are going to read M. Okay. What is this? This is a capital M and this is small m. M for monkey. Okay, you all see the monkey? Did you all see the monkey? Yes, okay. Many of them telling yes. Okay. What is the monkey's favorite food? What is the monkey's favorite food? Banana. Yes, monkey loves banana. Okay, super. Okay, shall I write capital M? Okay, write along with me. Okay, just draw a straight line from upwards or from top to bottom. It's up to you. I'm just drawing a straight line from top to bottom, and from the top I'm going to make a slanting line. Okay, from the end of the slanting line I'm going to make a slanting line through upward like this. Okay, again from this end I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay, if you feel any difficult to write M, I'm having some shortcut. You can also follow that shortcut. Okay, just draw a straight line like this, 1 and 2. Okay, now just connect it with like this, V. This is very easy comparing the before. Okay, now I'm going to write small m. Make a straight line and just bend it and go down, and again take a reverse and just bend it and go to downwards. This is small m. Shall I write small m one more time? Okay, just put a straight line like this and take a U-turn like this. Okay, again going reverse, again taking the U-turn like this. Okay, very good. M for monkey. What is the sound of M? You want me to tell clue? Okay, if your mother giving any food which does not like, what will your reaction? Okay, the sound of the M is same. What is the sound of the M? Very good. Okay, now we are going to circle the image that start with M sound. Okay. Okay, what is this? Do you all know what is this? Moon. Where will you see the moon? Yes, sky. At what time do you all see the moon? On morning? No. On afternoon? No. On night? Yes. Very good. Okay. We all say moon loudly. We are going to say moon loudly. Say moon. 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 Okay. Do you all hearing any M sound? Very good. You all hearing the M sound. Shall I make a circle? Okay. We will sing in the circle. Circle, circle, circle it. Circle, circle, circle it. Okay. Okay. Do you all know what is this? This is a ball. Okay. But it does not have M sound. Okay. What is this? Tree. No, it's not a tree. What is this? Tell me clearly. Mushroom. Do you all love to eat mushroom? Yes, I too love to eat a mushroom lot. Okay. It's also having a good proteins. You can eat a lot mushrooms. Okay. Tell me mushroom loudly. Mushroom. 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 Do you hearing any M sound? Yes. Okay. Shall I make a circle? Okay. Sing a song together. Circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it. Okay. Now, next, what is this? Mat. What is this? Mat. We all have mat in our home entrance, isn't it? Okay. You all hearing any M sound? If you hear any M sound, make a use of your hand, use your forefingers and make a circle like this on top of your mobile. If you're hearing any M sound, you can make a circle using this forehand on your phone or laptop or MacBook, anything. Okay, what is this? Yes, mangoes. Do you all love mango? Yes, I too love mango. What is the color of the mango? Yellow. Very good. The color of the mango is yellow. Very good. Okay. If you are hearing any M sound? No. Why no? Okay. Tell me loudly. Mango. 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 Do you hearing any M sound? Yes. Okay. Shall I make a circle by singing our circle song? Yes. Okay, come along together and make a circle. Circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it, circle, circle, circle it. Very good. We did a good job. Okay, one more time. I am just telling, this is a capital M, this is a small m. M for monkey. What is the sound of M? What is the sound of M? Okay, moon, which begins with M sound. Mushroom begins with M sound. Mango begins with M sound. Okay, what is the next letter? You're thinking. Okay, shall we sing a song, AB? Alphabet song? Okay, shall we sing? Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. What is the next letter after M? Very good. N. Okay, now we are going to see about N.